about cleanliness and hygiene.
As per the Constitution, it is the duty of people of India to adapt and make India a safer place to live, to be clean and to keep our surroundings clean, and also not to hurt anyone physically or mentally.
Scene 2.
Hey, look at that. A small girl is working in a factory. So sad.
So sad indeed. Why don't you go to school?
School? I can't go to school. My parents can't afford. Do you know, according to India's constitution, every child has the right to education till the age of 14.
So that means you can get education for free until you turn 14.
Wow, I'm overwhelmed. Thank you, my friends, for giving me this wonderful information.
Scene 3. Wow, what a beautiful monument. Let me write my name on
Wait
it.
a minute, why do you write your name on the ancient wall?
I'm writing my name on the ancient wall because whoever reads it will think I'm famous.
Really? You think writing your name on a monument will make you famous?
Yes.
Are you out of your mind? Do you really think people will know you if you write your name on that monument? No, never. Even they will think that you have destroyed the beauty of this place. You should know that a lot of people come from foreign countries to see the beauty of these monuments. If you do this, what would they think?
That I'm free to do whatever I want.
But you should know.
That it is our duty to safeguard the public property like a school, rivers, forests, and buildings and value and preserve the rich heritage of our culture. Okay, friend, I'm sorry. I will not do this again, and I will value and preserve the rich heritage of our culture.
Scene 4.
You do this work. It's not my work, you do it.
Why should I do it?
Because it's your work.
Wait. Both of you, don't fight. Everybody is watching you.
But it's his work.
It's his work.
Listen to me, both of you. Do this work. If you do this work together, you'll be able to do it nicely. If you're united, then you can. If you are united, you can do any work, no matter how difficult it is.
Okay, let's not fight and do this work together.
Okay, we'll do all this work together.
India is famous for its unity and diversity, and fighting is not the solution, and rather we should live peacefully.